I'm now at Chicken Porridge Folk Village in Seongnam City. We'll be going to a special place for chicken dogani soup. Chicken dogani soup is a nutritious food that is enjoyed by Koreans in summer. The situation is so unusual starting from the entrance. It has a long tradition and the area is famous for its tasty restaurants. It has been chosen as one of the best tasty restaurants in Gyeonggi-do. Many foods are served as side dishes, but most boiled dotori muk is the best. At last, the main dish is chicken dogani. It'll be the best when you stir it. Let's try it. It is just a new world. It is so delicious. Yummy. Gives such a healthy feeling for the body and it's a healing. It will be good featuring Namhansanseong Fortress. If you visit Namhansanseong Fortress designated by UNESCO, you can take care of your health and feel good.